Another stock that we're watching today, shares of Perrigo, the stock spiking midday after an expert panel recommended the FDA allow women to get access to a birth control pill without a prescription for the first time in 60 years. Let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Anjalee Khemlani, who's got all the details for us. Anjalee.
That's right, Akiko. Historic day for women's health, a historic milestone at the least, with this advisory committee voting in favor unanimously in a 17-0 vote to allow Opill, that's Perrigo's birth control pill, to be available over the counter without a prescription. Now, in a quote from the company's CEO to Yahoo Finance, they said today's vote is a new groundbreaking chapter in reproductive health, and Perrigo, noting that they are leading the way in making contraception more available to women. This, of course, comes at a time where we're dealing with the impact of the overturning of Roe v. Wade and a lot of concern over the access to abortion pill around the country. So this is one step back from that in birth control itself. The business opportunity is quite huge for the company. According to JPM, $100 million opportunity, not currently accounted in current guidance. And they're seeing the market as mostly uninsured women between the age of 15 and 49. So that's about 10% of the population right now. And of course, we know there are other channels as well that could potentially benefit from this. When we heard from the advisory committee members, there is some concern about the FDA and their concerns looking at potential access for adolescents, so that younger portion of the population, as well as individuals who might have, conflicts with medication or the like, and whether or not they might be able to access that. To that point, one of the voting members, that's Dr. Evie Epsi from the chair of the University of New Mexico's Department of Obgyn, said, quote, "It would take a very high bar of concern to justify non-approval of over-the-counter status given what we know about the medication." And then another voting member, Dr. Leslie Walker Harding, saying that she would not really support any restrictions on adolescents. But again, it is up to the FDA, the final say. And JPM analysts did say that this puts a lot of pressure on the regulatory agency now to make a decision, which we expect to happen sometime this summer.